Hey everybody, it's Aidan here from Everyday Tech. So this light here is probably the cheapest way and most effective way that you'll be able to light yourself using your mobile phone, whether you're a vlogger, YouTube creator, or somebody that just likes to take selfies. So let's take a look. Okay guys, so I create most of my videos on my Canon M50 just here, but I am looking to do a few more daily videos. So when I'm out and about or just when the fancy takes me, but I don't want to carry a camera around with me all the time. And my phone does the job brilliantly. It is fantastic, but I prefer to use the front facing camera so I can see myself in the screen. But there is no lighting on the front. There are apps you can buy on things you can do to certain phones where the screen lights up to light you, but it detracts from the actual viewing experience. When you're looking at the screen, you can't see yourself because it's mostly just white. Also, it will drain your battery quicker. So I went on Amazon's website and I just typed in, selfie ring lights, because that's what seemed like the most feasible option. And this light came up. Now for £1.99, it is a bargain. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to have a look on what's in the box. Right, so everybody, this is what I got from Amazon. It was a box in another box, and it just revealed this. Very simple, plain white packaging. It feels nice, nothing special, and it just indicates what you've got on the front just here. On the back, it just tells you the 4 possible colours. You can get one in blue, black, pink and white. So let's get it open. So again, the sleeve comes off, and inside there are just 2 pieces. There is the ring light itself, and then there is just a charging cable. So the charging cable is just this, USB to micro USB. Now, considering I paid £1.99 to get a rechargeable selfie light is absolutely amazing. This, according to the statistics on the Amazon site, this has 36 LEDs in here, and it will hold a phone 5mm thick, which I think it can hold probably a few more than that. So I'll just put this box here because this is the OnePlus 6T. It's got the gel case on that comes with the phone. So as you can see, the corners, for example, are slightly more raised than the rest of the phone. And when I add it to the phone, it takes it perfectly. It works really well. And if I was to, you could probably get maybe another 2mm in there, with a slightly thicker phone. So I would imagine it would take most phones on the market. The actual ring itself is really simple. To recharge it, you've just got your charging point at the top, your clip here, and then right here there is a button. This turns it on and it toggles through the settings. Now this particular one has 3 settings. So if you press it once, it turns the light on. If you press it again, it makes it brighter. You press it again, brighter still, and then the last press turns it back off. Now that's really handy to have, so it's not just one standard light, so you can just really make a difference. I mean, obviously it's going to look different anyway. I have got a few lights either side of this, so it is going to look slightly different, but when you've got it on your phone, you want to take a selfie, or if you're a vlogger and you want to use your front facing camera because they're really good at the moment, then yeah, this is ideal. Okay guys, so this is actually probably the coolest thing that you're probably going to add to your your startup equipment. For me, this is going to be amazing because it's rechargeable. I don't have to worry about batteries it's probably going to last a couple of days depending on how much you will use it. But when it just clips onto your phone, just like that, you're ready to go. Now, if you're using a gimbal, bear in mind that it will add a little bit of weight. It's not heavy at all. It's a piece of light plastic, but it will add some weight. So make sure your counterweights on your gimbal are accounted for, and that it doesn't affect it, because sometimes gimbals will just drop if there's too much weight on there. So just be wary of that. But if you're using it handheld, no problem whatsoever. When it clips onto your phone, it does not affect the screen in any way. It's absolutely fantastic. Oh, hello. It's a handsome me. And I'm going to show you how it works in real life. So in a second, I'm going to turn off the lights in my studio. So, hello, this is me. So let's just turn this around. Right, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to turn on the light on the ring light and turn off the lights that are lighting me up, because as you can see here, I have got some lights lighting me up either side, and it's not going to give you a true indication of what it's like lighting myself up with this ring light. So, Alexa, studio lights off. Okay. This is me on my OnePlus 6T. Now, it's okay. You know, obviously the M50, all the settings are set up with the lights on, so I'm not coming across very well on here. On my phone, I'm okay. It's not too bad at all. But when I turn on the light, oh, it's a little bit better. When I turn it on again, oh, it's a little bit better still. And if I turn it on a third time, brilliant. I'm really well lit. I'm looking good. Obviously, I know I'm looking at the camera here. I know the lens is there. I should be looking there. But I'm seeing myself. And actually, this isn't too bad. This is really good. Because I'm reasonably well lit. And I look better than without the light. Again, it looks okay now. Alexa, studio lights on. Okay. Oh, see, now I'm lit again with my studio lights and the ring light is off. So now I can get back to this. This is actually an amazing piece of affordable tech. £1.99. You can light yourself up in public if you're at arm's length, or, you know, if you just want to vlog, create, whatever. I don't think you're going to beat it for the price. Yes, there are bigger, better lights out there that are much more money, but again, if you just want something to create on the go, I don't think you can beat this at all. It really is absolutely amazing. It's little things that they thought of, like it's rechargeable. It's not going to last you 8 hours and you've got to go out and buy more batteries. It is rechargeable, and it's just got a little rubber stamp either side, so it doesn't pinch your phone. It sits on it nicely. It doesn't interfere with the screen when it's sat on the screen. Can I recommend this light? Yes, I can fully recommend this light. I think it will be a great addition to anybody who's looking to create and just light themselves in slightly darker situations. So, I'll leave this with you. Have you used these? What are your experiences? Can you recommend them to anybody else? Or is there an alternative light source that you can recommend to other people? Let me know below, comment below. And guys, if you've enjoyed this, please like the video. It would mean a lot to me. And if you really like the video, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. So guys, until next time, I shall see you soon.